Indian Buildings Congress Tripura Center the PWD Urban Development Department Rural Development Department the Tripura and Agartala Municipal Corporation ni Luajimong bai Agartala Sushanta Academy Auditorium Hall Nogo Cha Shalo Songtazaka Regional Seminar Panda O Panda o Chatika Tharmasangai Panda no Changi Khaika Berai Khiri montri Sushanta chowdhury Tongkha Juda Juda Adongra.
Only Assam had the identity. The people of Assam had the identity to the mainland people. Now this discrimination no longer exists and persists in the minds of the people. Agartala can be well recognized. And they are proudly confessing that, oh my God, you have a very, very good and attractive airport with robust infrastructure. You have Unupati, you have Narikal Kunj, you have many impressive roads, national highways coming up in the coming times. The agencies coming from Rajasthan, Mizoram, Haryana, Delhi, Tamil Nadu have been working here in full swing. So the exchange between all of us was no longer there, was not there, which exists nowadays. So this is our firm conviction that in the coming times we would be able to take it forward further in terms of development with the active participation or help or guidance of our Honorable Prime Minister and Government of India. Whatever discussion will take place here and already has taken place by various speakers, I think that will yield positive result. The recommendations put forward by various speakers will be clubbed together and sent to Government of India, and I would request the organizers to send a copy of the minutes also to our state government, so that if necessary we may take up the matter in the next assembly session for discussion or debate for the overall development of our state at large. With these few words, I thank you all for being patient and giving all of us a passionate hearing. The session will continue for another 2 days. I think there are many more speakers to take part on the discussion. I once again wish you all the best in your future endeavor, future journey, and whatever responsibility you want to entrust upon tourism department, I will be very gladly rendering my service, rendering my duty for the upliftment of your endeavor in the coming times. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for having me invited here and giving me the opportunity to share my views with you all. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Bureau Report Khumpui.
জুড়ে থাকে বাঁধন আপনার চেয়েও আপন, জুড়ে থাকে বাঁধন আপনার চেয়েও আপন, আপনার চেয়েও আপন, স্বর্ণ কমল